Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to log in to your TikTok account on another device. If you're new, hit the subscribe button for more helpful tutorials. I'll walk you through the steps, so let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your Android or iPhone. Next, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Now tap the three lines at the top right corner to open the menu. Select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Log Out to sign out from your account. Confirm if asked. On your second device, install and open TikTok. Tap Login since you already have an account. Choose a login method, phone number, email, or a connected account like Google or Facebook. Enter your details and tap Login. That's it. Your TikTok account is now active on the new device. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.